They're doing some experiments.
Okay, so Gabriel.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
You need water with it too.
I still need something to lift it. Look, see, there's bubbles.
So
That's the nitrogen gas.
yeah. So we're converting this water into oxygen and nitrogen
With a battery.
with a battery.
With the battery.
How do you do that?
We used the alligator clips and we connected them to two push pins
two
on
push
the bottom.
pins. And
And-
then the gases are flowing up into the beaker.
Yeah, and the gases go up into here. This one here is nitrogen, and this one here is oxygen.
And the
Nitrogen,
how we know that
oxygen.
is because
there's more
there's
nitrogen
more nitrogen.
and less oxygen.
See, so the water level is lower in the nitrogen, and the water level is higher in the oxygen.
The lower the water level is, the more gas there is being produced.
And so, is it eventually gonna empty the test tube of any liquid, of any water?
Yep.
Yep.
You will.
Dad, would you like
And-
a sticker?
I will, sure, in a moment.
What would you like?
The pink one, please. That's awesome.
Okay.
And so, that means that stuff must be that stuff must make up the water then, right? Those two together.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't really have much time to watch.
And
Okay.
Both water levels started out exactly the same, but see how one of them is getting lower? That means that little bit of it made out of nitrogen gas.
And actually, one's got like a murky color to it. See, the one on the right.
Oh,
See,
Because it's oxygen.
is that making it murky?
oh wait, I think it. Oh,
It's okay.
it's not gonna make any more oxygen now because I don't see any more bubbles coming.
So it's extracted all the oxygen from the test tube.
Oh wait, there's still.
It's still extracting. I mean, I don't think it's going to stop.
Dad,
12% nitrogen.
Why does it actually do that? Why does it actually? How do you know one's doing one and one's doing the other? How do you know they don't both separate the same thing?
Because there's a positive and negative charge. They're different charges. So one's positive charge and one's a negative charge.
How
Dad,
does that impact what's being extracted?
I don't really know.
Dad, because
But I know that this is how they get air on the space station.
How do they do it? Do they have water in the space station? Where do they get water from?
Yep.
Yep.
They send off
food
water.
capsules.
All
Where do you
of
think
the
they get
water,
food from?
all of their like pee and all of the water they don't use, they use to make air
Oh wow.
Dad, I'll get
things.
What's rusting though?
The thumbtack.
Oh, it's already rusting? Is the thumbtack actually inside the water?
Yeah, the thumbtack, the tip of the thumbtack is inside. And that's, see here, how the tip of, here.
So you're accelerating the rust process.
Yeah. So see
I can see.
this, on the very bottom, how the thumbtack looks like it's like the blasting out air?
Yeah.
That's not, that thumbtack is electrically charged.
Wow. Wow. Electrolysis in action.
Rust, but like,
It's rusty.
Let's take a look at the needle after you're done all this.
okay, now okay, wait, no, pause. I have to undo that. I dump it out in the sink.
The water got that dirty just from the electrolysis. That's
Well,
incredible.
that wasn't the water that got that.
Actually, time up. Okay, so lay it down. So which one's that?
Fridge.
That's the fridge
Well, it
water.
says fridge.
Okay.
Now this is the normal water here.
So let's put that next to the fridge.
Tap water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, now process.
That's the filtered water from the fridge.
Yep.
They look. What do you guys notice?
They look the exact same.
They look the same. Okay.
I wonder if it's just a gimmick then. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see the other one.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Electrolysis water. Let's see.
They're a lot different.
It's completely different. Wow, get the bottle. Let's read what it says.
Oh, do you know where the bottle is?
Give me a second.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
So you got purple, blue, yellow, and purple versus what?
They're very different.
So get the bottle out, which talks about.
Okay, so you got normal water,
Yes.
fridge water, so tap, fridge, and electrolysis water. So we're gonna look here. First one, the pH is completely fine.
The first.
Wait.
Is the first or second?
Okay, so we're gonna start off by testing this. The pH on these two are good.
On the two
Are okay.
normal water with electrolysis?
Yeah. And on this, it's even pinker than the pinkest one. So that means it's off the charts. It's really pink.
And what is that? What is that that's off the charts? What's the...
That's the
The
pH.
pH is very high?
Very high.
Okay. So the electrolysis has made the pH very high off the charts, okay?
Now here we got it yellow, like pea yellow. That's not even written here at all.
No. What is that?
This is the free chlorine. So
So maybe start a free chlorine.
I think that would be 0.
really low. Okay.
That's like low.
But those are quite low
That
too.
would be like -5.
Okay.
That's like, yeah.
Okay. What else do you see?
Okay, so
Okay.
here we go. Now we got total alkalinity, which is these ones right here. All of these ones.
So
So
with
total
the first
alkalinity.
two, it's about 40.
So it's acceptable?
40. 40 is a bit low.
And the last one,
It's blue. The color. There's no even
it's
blue.
like 500.
There's no blue written on this chart.
It's
Through the
like
roof. So the
400.
pH and alkalinity is through the roof on these. After electrolysis.
All right, the last one,
Now last one.
stabilizers. So I say the first two are about 0,
0.
and the
last
last one
one
is
is
300.
Wow.
Which means there's a lot of stabilizer.
So
There's
a lot of everything except this. There's like a very, very, very tiny amount.
So the electricity actually had a real impact, fundamental impact on the
I think it
makeup.
was mostly the rust, to be honest. The rust of
So
the
there's
push pin.
definitely no
The
chlorine.
push pin probably affected, because if those push pins
Wait a
didn't
minute.
rust in some way, shape, or form, they weren't able to rust, it would
What
actually be
happens
fine, because
when it
it's
drops?
not taking... If it's taking away a bit of one thing, it's also taking away a bit of the other thing. It's not changing the chemical thing. It's taking away a bit of one thing, but it's also taking away the same amount of the other
What's
thing.
the other thing you're talking about?
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Oh,
So if
I
it takes
see.
away a bit, like 1 gram of oxygen, it takes away 1 gram of hydrogen.
What happens when
So-
1 drop of electrolysis water goes into fridge water?
Yeah, let's see. Boom. Let's see if it changes the makeup. Interesting.
Okay, I
The
don't-
oxygen rusts things, right?
yeah.
Yes.
So, which do you think is oxygen?
The one that's more rusted, which is definitely that one. Wow.
Yeah, so
Zoom close
that's
up.
oxygen, that's nitrogen.
Yeah, it's definitely more rusted, eh?
Yeah, does the bottom look any different?
Here,
No,
t-
but the
turn
part that
around.
was touching the water looks different.
Can I see that?
Okay, I'll be right there. You
Now,
can take them out, actually. See?
I'm
Here,
going
look,
to take out the nitrogen.